Alrighty, I just received this little funny car racing team. I think it's a Walmart exclusive, Hot Wheels. It looks pretty nice. Let me open it up and we'll check out the cars. Unfortunately, there was some damage to the box in shipping, but I don't keep it in the box. So this is a really nice little set, however, and all of the cars and figurines seem to be perfect, no problem. So let's check it out. I'll be right back and open the box. And here they are. There's a little man there. They come up this way, and they do stay up. I don't have the ability to. They do stay up, and they have a little trigger thing, a little plastic thing, which allows them so I can keep them up. But most of them stay up. Let's see. This will stay up. Let me see here one moment. Yeah, they stay up. This yellow one isn't staying up, but all the others stay up. And of course, I have a little cage, so it looks pretty good. I really like them. They're very nice, and they are classic funny car where the body actually lifts, which is really more desirable than what came later on. So I'm very happy with them. We're going to race them. We'll race them, and I love this guy hanging out there. We're going to race them on my diecast track in a couple of weeks. I'm waiting for some other cars as well. And I hope you like this reveal of the Hot Wheels funny car racing team. So let me see. We have the Bad Bird, the Hot Stuff. That looks like a Corvette. This looks like a Viper. The Hot Wheels. Nice. I like that. And then the Hearst. Which is pretty cool. Alrighty, there'll be some pictures of these up on my X page, EHC Racer, and you can visit me there. Hope you like the reveal. Oh, the man fell out. Oh, he's taking a victory lap. He hasn't even run yet. But he fits just fine. Hope you all have a good day. Keep racing and collecting diecast and select cars. HO scale, baby. All the way. See you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share if you'd like. Bye.